Good morning, children. I am back with your class of English of upper nursery. In your previous consecutive classes, I have already completed the capital alphabets. Let me show you in a missing form till Z, and also how to write different types of alphabets in capital letters. So, in this class, I will start with small letters. How to write alphabets but in small letters. So let me start the class, children. See, here comes as it is A, B, C and D. These are also A, B, C, D but in small letters. So let me teach you how to write this A, B, C, D. How will you write? Just observe me, children. Hold the pencil like this. Take a curve shape in anti-clockwise way. Then a small curve. See, I made A. Then comes B. So this is A. It is B. How I will write B? From up, draw a straight line downwards. Yes. Then make a semicircle. I told you how to draw a curve. See, it is type of semicircle. From here, take it downwards. See, I made B. See. Now comes C. This is C. How I will write C? It is totally a curve. From up in an anti-clockwise way. It should be in an anti-clockwise way. Understood? This is C. Now comes D. Again make a standing line. From up, drag it towards down. Then again a curve. See, this is D. So today 4 alphabets I will teach you. A, B, C, D in small letters. As usual, children, I will give you homework. This is for the parents I am asking. Just write the top line for them. A, B, C, D. And then make dotted lines for them. This is the dots you make. And ask your kids to make freehand over it. Then when you will see they can write freehand or they can draw freehand, ask them to fill up these lines with A, B, C and D. Okay. So 2-page handwriting for them. 1 and see 2-page. You will, this is for the parents. You will write the topmost line, then make dots for them and ask your children to fill up the whole page. This page they will fill up and the following page also they will fill up. This line, this 2-page are the homework for them. So understood, children? Today till D I will teach you because this is new to you and it is in small letters, not capital letters. It is quite tough for you, but if you practice, children, it will be not tough for you. So practice it at home till D. Today till D. In the following class I will teach you the rest alphabets slowly after slowly. So thank you. The class is till today. Stay safe, stay happy at home.